All right, so welding fab class, here's an update to our distance learning. I'm gonna make these here weeks at a time. That way you can kind of progress through at your pace. It's a little bit longer assignments, but again, they're within the 30-minute beginning to end time frame that Voce asked us to have you guys do, so I'm within that limitations, which is good. I'm moving things around. So for instance, here's a week coming back from spring break. I got them in a weekly layout. So Monday, no school. Tuesday, here's a little topic of the day. All right. And it asks you to complete assignments that are posted about on the page. So look for those. They're down here. I have, it's a Tuesday lesson, a Wednesday lesson, a Thursday lesson, and then a Friday lesson. They're all here, here, and here. So read this notes carefully. Watch the lesson carefully. And then note down here as far as I'll fix the due dates. There should be also due dates. But to get this done, you must, of course, view the item, score a certain score, and turn things in. I'll fix those due dates, all right? Throughout the weeks, it's going to ask you, too, to look for a link to save your drawing files to. That's right here, the drawing file link, okay? It also asks, do you have access to, on your dashboard, you may have to go up here and just do a whole brand new my.isc720.org. If you have anything up here written beyond this in like a light gray font, delete it off. Just go brand new, brand new, brand new, and to do a brand new view of your dashboard. Do you have this industrial tech Amazon web search link? If you do, great. Click the IT link and move on. So we're going to use a program on here called SketchUp. It's the full version of it. If you don't, you can still go to a different version. I'll show you that when we get more towards spring break is done, okay? Otherwise, that's going to be our format moving forward beyond spring break. All right, good luck. Questions, send me an email.